So here's the furnace for the Carrier Performance air conditioner. This is a Performance 93. Comfort heat. It's a high efficiency furnace. It's by Carrier, obviously. There's the line set. Goes up and over and down. There's the vent. Expand down to 2-inch. That's the well tank. It's doing something. There's the well right there. The tank for it. Ductwork. It's very loud and actually got an annoying sound to it, this furnace does. You can hear it throughout the whole house. It is a 120,000 BTU input furnace from 2007. Model number 58MTB120. So, 120,000 BTU input, 2007. Coil's a Carrier, BDP / Carrier. 4-ton coil from 2008. It's got R-410a. And the condenser out there is from 2009, so that's kind of weird. I don't know why that's doing that. Then there's a 2009 Bradford White water heater as well. There's condensation. Some good footage of that. Humidifier. And I was wrong. The house was actually built in 1987, so I think this replaced the original unit. But that's pretty much it. 120,000 BTU input. It's a big thing. But footage of it. I love the filter. That could be changed. It's a big unit. Definitely oversized, but you know. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.